Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra price details have been leaked once again. The Galaxy Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra will debut at an online-only Unpacked event on August 5th that will promote the Galaxy Fold 2, Galaxy Watch Active 2 and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 as well. If you want to know more about the Galaxy Fold 2, click on the I button above. Coming back to the topic, in this video, I will be giving out all the details about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, including the price and the main features like the processors and the hardware. Without further ado, let's get started. The Note 20 Ultra will likely have a 6.9-inch display like the S20 Ultra, except with sharper corners to help differentiate it from Samsung's other flagship phones. Like the Galaxy Fold 2, this phone will also feature a dynamic AMOLED display along with 120Hz refresh rate. The device is protected by Gorilla Glass 7 on either side and might use an aluminum alloy frame for the body. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will be powered by an Exynos 9 Octa 990 chipset accompanied by an octa-core processor. I was really hoping that Samsung could fit in the Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset inside. I am not saying that the Exynos chipset is not powerful enough. I feel Snapdragon chipsets are more optimized and compatible. Let me know in the comments below on what chipset do you think is the best and why do you think so. The GPU on this phone will change according to where you live. If you buy the global version, it might have the Mali G77, and for US version, it will have Adreno 650. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, take a moment to destroy the button with your love and support. The phone will run on Android 10 and Samsung One UI 2.1. The Note 20 camera will consist of 108 megapixel primary sensor as seen on the Galaxy S20 Ultra, a 13 megapixel telephoto camera with a periscopic lens for optical zoom capable of 3x magnification, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a laser autofocus sensor to assist the other three. We know that there will be a 4000 and a 4500 mAh battery in the Note 20 and the Note 20 Plus and a Type-C cable according to recent leaks. As for the charging, Samsung will give out 25-watt fast charging by default. If Samsung is generous enough, it might even offer 45-watt fast charger with the phone. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra price in India is expected to be around 1,20,000. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is expected to be launched on August 5th, 2020. We have no specific information about the Note 20 Ultra's color. However, previous leaks tell us that we could expect grey, copper, green or black. You would likely see two variants for the Note 20 Ultra, 12GB of RAM with 256GB of storage or 12GB of RAM along with 512GB of storage. Samsung is demolishing every company of all price range, starting from flagship phones to low and mid-range devices. The Note 20 Ultra will be a great addition to the smartphone market and will offer a great user experience. That's it guys, we have now reached the end of today's video. Comment down below if you want to know more about a particular phone or a gadget. Drop a like and check out my other videos if you want to. A sub to the channel will be appreciated. Until next video, this is Hari from Let's Review signing off. Stay tuned, stay safe.